So right now I'm taking off this Amazon catch can, which works good, but I'm taking it off because the hoses pinch. I mean, these are 5/8 in diameter hose, but it pinches. And I ordered a JLT catch can, but prior to getting here, I was doing some research. I found out UPR actually sells the stock connectors. Yep, gotta fish that out. Which will just connect, you know, the 90-degree angle. Basically put it on here, then it'll swivel, and I won't get that pinching. But too late, I ordered the JLT. I'm gonna show you guys what this Amazon buy catch can will do for Amazon. They got a little bit blow by right there, and this is off Amazon. You know, it's pretty good, but I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna put this on my driver's side when I buy a CAI cold air intake, and I'll just put it on the driver's side. But I have another one which I'm gonna put on my brother's new Edge. It should just mount up easy. So let's get this JLT. It's pretty simple instructions. They give you a nice sticker to put in your car, which I'm not putting no stickers on my car. Let's check it out. And the difference between this and Amazon, this is a catch can / separator. It has a little baffle in there, but inside the baffle got a little some type of I think like steel wool or something to make sure the oil and separate the oil from the vapors. So it should just simple plug and play, and that's it. And it sits right there. And this is the problem when I had the other one. I put the cover on, it will hit, but being that it got the 90-degree angle, it goes right on. And that's simple. JLT oil catch can.